Welcome back to our English class. So in our previous class we solved the exercise for the poem called Run. So now we are going to learn, before making a video for the exercise of that poem, I would like to teach you something from the grammar section, that is vowel pairs. So quickly tell me which are the vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Very simple it is. And the rest of the letters are consonants. These are vowels A, E, I, O, U, and the rest are consonants. Okay. So now here you can see two people. A girl is there and a boy is there. So the girl's name is Nikki and the boy's name is Ricky. Nikki and Ricky. They are both good friends. So why are they here? They are here to teach you something. They are here to give you some information. They are very good children, good students. That's why they are sharing their knowledge. So what are they sharing? Let's see. Let me remind you which are the vowels A, E, I, O, U. So now see here. Nikki and Ricky are saying that when two vowels are walking, only one vowel does the talking. Here Nikki and Ricky are saying that when two vowels are walking, when any two of these vowels are walking, जब इन सब पांचों वावल्स में से कोई दो वावल्स एक दूसरे के साथ चलते हैं, वॉक करते हैं, ओनली वन वावल डज द टॉकिंग. ओनली वन वावल डज द टॉकिंग मीन्स when any two of these vowels walk together, we pronounce only one vowel sound. जब हम इन वावल्स में से कोई दो वावल्स को टुगेदर लेके यूज़ करते हैं, लिखते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, तो कोई एक ही वावल का साउंड हम प्रोनाउंस करते हैं. So some examples are here. See here, A, I. When you use A and I vowel together, what kind of a sound it makes? It makes a sound of A. It makes a sound of A. When you use E and A together, it makes a sound of E. It makes a sound of E. And then when you use I and E together, it makes two kinds of sounds. First one is E. E. And then again one more sound it makes, that is, it makes the sound of I. It makes the sound of I. And then when you use O and A together, the sound it makes is O. The sound it makes is O. Then when you use O and E together, it makes two kinds of sounds. First one is O and then second one is U. Second one is U. Then when you use U and E together, the sound it makes is U. The sound it makes is U. And last one, when you use U and I together, it makes a sound U. It makes a sound U. So this is not confusing if you remember these things. If you make some activity sheets, worksheet, if you solve some worksheets with these examples, then you will be able to read them properly. So see here, before moving on to this one, we will read this one first. Say it aloud. So when I say it aloud means you need to read aloud. You need to read loudly. Each vowel pair A, I, E, A, I, E, O, A, U, E and U, I are shown as making a long vowel sound here. They are shown as making a long vowel sound here. The letter pairs A, Y and O, W also make long vowel sounds. A long vowel mostly says its own name. So these sounds make a what kind of a sound? Long vowel sound. तो इससे साउंड जो रहता है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो रहता है, जो वर्ड्स रहता है, थोड़ा सा खिंच जाता है. प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्या हो जाता है? लॉन्ग साउंड करता है, थोड़ा सा उसका जो साउंड रहता है खिंच जाता है. सो मोस्टली इट सेज इट्स ओन नेम. सो यूजुअली mostly it says its own name is usually, not in every case, usually we pronounce the first vowels sound. We pronounce the first vowels sound. So see here, some of the examples are here. If you see this, it is brain. It is brain. So you can spot two vowels here which are A and I. And when we use A and I together, it makes a sound of A. It makes a sound of A. So see here, first vowel is A. Usually we pronounce it with the first vowel. So it is making a sound of brain, that is A. Here when two vowels are walking together, here which vowels are walking together? A and I. These are walking together, but only one is talking here, and that is A. Next is B-E-A-T, beat. So can you find any vowels here? Of course you can. So you can see E and A here. E and A are walking together. E and A vowels are walking together. And who is doing the talking? E. Because the pronunciation is beat. Beat means here when we are saying E and A, when we are using E and A together, the sound that it makes is E. So it is beat. Now thief. Thief mein which vowels are there? I-E. So when we use I-E, it makes two kinds of a sound, E and I. So here it is making a sound of E, thief. I-E-E, thief. And similarly, the same vowels are here. See here, I is there. Again, here also I is there. P-I-E. But the pronunciation here is pie. Here it is not P, it is pie. Here the pronunciation is pie. Because see here, I told you, when we use I and E together, either it makes E sound or else it makes I sound. So here in this example it is making E sound. In this example it is making I sound. Thief, pie. Thief, pie. So now next example is boat. As you can find two vowels here, those are O and A. O and A makes a sound of O. O and A makes a sound of O. So it is boat. It is boat. Then goes toes. The next is toes. O-E. It either makes sound of O or U. O or U. So here toes. Now you'll ask me, what is the example of U? Shoe. See here. See here. This is toes. Here O and E are two vowels. But in this example, in shoe, two vowels are same, that are O and E. But the pronunciation here is shoe. U. Right? Next is glue. U-E-U. U-E-U. Next, suit. U-I-U. Suit. So I hope you have understood how to pronounce this vowel pairs. It is very easy once you understand it. Now next is the letter pairs A-Y and O-W. Each makes a long vowel sounds. For example, see here, blow. When we spell blow, it is B-L-O-W. So here first vowel is O, blow. Okay. So here the sound is O. Play, A-Y, play. So here the sound it is making is A. Play. Crows. Crows. Here the sound it is making is O. Sweat. Sweat. Here the sound it is making is sway. A sound. Then again sword. Here the sound it is making is O. So it is very simple. I'll send you more examples in WhatsApp. So I hope you have understood this short video. So I'll see you in the next class. In next class we will learn something else from the grammar section. Just keep reading and practicing, so you'll be able to understand it better.